Let me see what she did in here.
Do anything in there?
No,
Nothing?
nothing.
No,
It's
nothing
all
yet?
clean. Let me just.
Oh, you gotta measure the length, right?
Yeah, let me just
Okay.
first.
Hey, little one. Yeah. Now listen, I'm right here. I'm right here. Yeah. Yeah. That's okay. Don't you worry. Yeah. Okay. Don't worry, we're right here. Okay? Yeah.
No,
Don't you worry. Okay, we're gonna measure you now. Okay, look at that. Your head is like 20 something.
Oh my god, she's so beautiful.
Like 29, 28,
33?
30. Oh, from there. Okay, 33. 33 what? Centimeters?
Yes,
Oh,
centimeters.
okay. I'm like, man, I think I'm
Makes
34.
more sense, eh?
33 centimeters head for her head. And then her length is... Come here, baby leg. Here, let me...
Yeah.
I'll put the leg. Oh, what do you want? I'll
Yeah.
just hold
You
this?
wanna hold it here?
I'll hold this one. Let's hold that right.
Hey,
Here,
can I
little
ask
one.
you something, baby?
47?
And you're 47 centimeters
Beautiful.
long.
You're nice.
Okay?
What's the average length?
Dave, what were you again?
40,
I have no
45 to 55.
And what is she? She was 40.
47.
You're 40. And how about the head?
What was it? Do you remember?
It was 30.
Average
Yeah, you
30.
said 30. What? 33?
33.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
33. That's
so
it.
33.
33.
That's it.
You get to keep that.
All right. I'm keeping it.
After she's taken things, you get to keep it. Because I still have mine.
Hey, you.
You're so beautiful.
You're such a yummy.
Yes,
Yeah, you're a sweetie pie. I just want you to know you were kicking like since you were like that small. We couldn't do any ultrasound on you or anything. Okay, so now this is we're gonna bundle you. So this is okay.
Yes.
It's
it has
not-
to be. No, it's okay, but it's
Okay.
out better.
Okay.
You know, but let me just put her gown. Can give her a gown.
So are we supposed to put her in any clothes or anything?
Whatever
Or
you
just
want.
wait?
We can wait until because baby like in a postpartum they wash it. They wash
They're
the
going to
baby.
be there. Okay.
Postpartum they
Right,
wash the
okay.
baby. So
Yeah. I'm right here. Don't you worry. You're such a nice, quiet baby. Do you know that?
Baby robe.
yes.
Steal yours. I didn't get to keep mine.
No. Sorry, you can't. I'll scan it and send you a copy of it. You can...
You know, everybody said to me, steal it from the hospital. It's so cute. It's so cute. No, I couldn't do it. I couldn't steal it. But if you steal yours.
On there. And yeah. Don't worry, we're just folding you. There we go. Look at that, huh? And one there. And
There you go.
ta-da! Look at that.
Okay, just
And
gonna
done?
put something here. Here.
Oh, and then she just lies
Yeah.
like that?
Hey, you're so active.
Oh,
You're beautiful.
she is active. She observe everything.
My God, she's awesome.
I like them there.
Okay, there you go.
Crash. It couldn't have gone any better, just so you know. Nope. Because they gotta do something to you. Hey there. Look at me. Look at me. Which one? Between? Oh, they put ointment. They put ointment in her both eyes, and then it drops over and then it come out. So I just want people to see how. Bless you. One more time. Bless you again. Oh, and I got that.
There's the second cup. There's the second cup. There's the 24 hours.
Hey you.
Second cup.
Hey.
At Queen side.
Hey there.
Oh, see, I passed that. Oh, yeah. I passed that.
Yeah.
Mwah. Parked across the street. Is this hospital have parking?
I can't believe you're mine. Can you believe that? Like, you don't belong to anyone else. Me.
John and Daisy.
You're such a sweetie. I know.
If we, I know. Find
You're my
somewhere
sweetie
that would be
pie. My
awesome.
princess.
Do they pay
Yeah.
for your parking?
Oh yeah. $50 each time.
They don't pay you for your parking here?
Hi there. Mwah. Blow you a kiss. Oh, look at your nice little lips. You're so quiet, huh? You're looking. What are you looking at? Let me show everyone what you're looking at. See, this is your view. This is what she's looking at. See? No, see, that's her aunt running away. There's nothing else there. Oh wait, hold on. Let's see what she's seen. Whoa! Who's that?
Cat.
Ah!
We'll change it now. Okay. We can go to the. Do you want to go to the bathroom now to pee? You like it?
Hello. Hello. Hey, look at you. Look. See? That's you. See? That's you. That's you. Right there. Bless you again. Again? Maybe it's my cologne. I'm sorry. Let me move back here.
You wore cologne today?
No. Of course I did.
It's okay.
Okay.
You wore not perfect for all of us. No,
How do you rate? How do you rate the
Hi there. So just so you can see, this is my hand. And that's the little one. See? Okay. Hello. How are you? Yeah. No, this is my that no. Yeah. No, see that's my my finger. And I'm giving you my germs already. I know that. Yeah. So let me see. This is my hand. So you can see how big she is. Yes? Yes, Reggie? But you're gonna have her like all the time.
You gotta go get food.
Okay, yeah, what do you want to eat? Okay, I gotta go. Your mom's asking for food. Look at mom. There she is. Okay, mom, you can wave now. Everything was great. I just want on record, no epidural, no tearing. What else?
And no, they didn't have to come.
No screaming. They didn't even have to cut her. No forceps. Oh my god, it's unbelievable. I think that's the bestest of all.
It's only because she's my daughter.
No, it's only because you were strong. That's all. Alright, so just see how easy that was for you to come to this world? That's going to be how easy it's going to be when you're with us. Just remember that, okay? So if I give anyone a heck, that's right there, your mom. Just feel free to do whatever you want. Okay?